Hello and welcome to Trading Supra. Today I'm featuring FillFinder plus automation in March 2018 Crude, and this is a requested video. Had an individual ask for seeing FillFinder plus automation on January 24, and the zone they specified that mattered to them was 64.90 to 65.10, and so as you can see, I've got that entered into the resistance zone low 64.90, zone high 65.10, and this is in market replay, and so it's just the data is what it is, and FillFinder will do it'll behave how it will behave, and so there's this is just a requested zone, and so I'll go ahead and play and activate the zone. So activate resistance, we can see that, so the market's just now in the zone right now, and I'll expand this out just a little bit. And now it's just a matter of letting FillFinder get to work. Quantities are already in. 5 on quantity 1, the smaller target, 2 on quantity 2, the larger target. And as I said, this is a request from someone who's interested in seeing FillFinder work in zones that matter to them. And so this is a zone that they requested, 64.90 to 65.10. So far, market's gotten right into the zone and is now just taking a little peek above, so far pushed to 14.
Order pending.
Okay, so just filled at 65.11 short.
Filled.
The smaller target just filled. And 65.11 is now the current stop. The stop started out at 16. Larger target 65 even.
Filled.
Larger target 65 even, and it just filled. And so, market got up into the zone. And again, like I said, this is market replay data. You simply load level 1, level 2 data, and then turn on FillFinder, and you just, you can't make it up. It'll behave how it behaves. And so if you have a market that you watch and zones that you watch and would like to see with your own eyes what FillFinder does, go ahead and put in the comments below the market, the date, the zone, and the type of zone, either support or resistance, and I will get to putting up a video for you so you can see just up close and personal what it would be like on whatever day you are interested. And so that's it for January 24th, 2018. Going to go ahead and remove resistance. And so just to cover the numbers real quick though, and these are always in your control center, of course, you know that, but just to let you know, the entry was short. The fill for the total of 7, 5 for the smaller target and 2 for the larger target, but it is just a total there of 7 contracts. 7 contracts short at 65.11. The smaller target was 3 ticks away, 65.08. The larger target was 65 even. So picked up 3 ticks on the quantity 1 portion of the position. Once that 08 buy limit filled, once that profit objective filled, the instant it does, the stop moves down and move right to the entry, in this case 65.11. And so on the remaining portion there, you've picked up 3 ticks on 5 contracts, and now if you're stopped out, even after commissions, you have something to keep. You're moving forward. You're always endeavoring to move forward, even if it's just a little. All those little moves forward have a sneaky way of adding up, and so it's very nice. And then in this case, the larger target also was able to be filled. 65 even was the larger target. And so picked up from 65.11 down to 65 even, picked up 11 ticks on the remaining 2 contracts. And so overall, a really, really nice result. The gross on it before commissions, 370 on 7 contracts. And just a couple of fun facts here. The time of entry was 10:36 and 48 seconds. The smaller target was filled 5 seconds later at 10:36 and 53 seconds. And then 10 seconds after the first target filled, the second one filled. And so as I've mentioned in previous videos, maybe you've heard this before, the goal with the targets, and this is a day trading approach, intra-session approach, the goal is to put targets in that have a likelihood of being filled. the reason being, that's how we get paid. And so we want to get paid. We want to cash flow our ideas. We don't want to just have an idea and then hope to maybe someday see some money for it. We want to put it on and get paid. And so that's the idea. And so that's a rundown of this trade review, this requested zone for January 24th in March crude. The zone again, 64.90 to 65.10. And if you have an item of interest, be sure to put it in the comments below, any questions, and I'll get right to it. And so everyone, trade safely, and thanks for your interest in trading super. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.